G'day guys, Stu here from Cedar Summit. I'm here today with the guys from MoTackle Outdoors. This is the Helinox Cot One convertible and leg extender kit. Just going to show you how easy it is to set up. So Helinox use this unique lever locking system. Pretty simple. Clicks down with the palm of your hand, gives you the correct tension across the stretcher. The stretcher sits at 16 centimeters off the ground. Then you can add the optional leg extender kit to raise you to 38 centimeters from the ground. These are easy to connect. Simply press fit into the base. So removing the extender legs, simply pull from the base, and to release the pressure on the lever lock with the heel of your hand and press. Once the top is released, simply unhook the bottom. So this is the Cot One convertible. It's 1.9 in length, 0.68 wide. It's 2.3 kilos in pack weight and it's 145 kg rated. Comes with the optional leg kit, which will raise you from 16 centimeters to 38 centimeters off the ground. Super lightweight and super comfortable.